Breaking travel news at the Arabian Travel Market, and on this occasion we're taking a look at a Dubai-based hospitality brand, a brand which evolved out of retail in many ways. It's the Landmark Group, and we're looking at City Max. So Praveen, thanks for joining us.
Pleasure.
Let's start off with the heritage of the brand. It's a young brand, and also the concept behind the property. So starting with the brand itself, how did this evolve?
Basically, if you see, Landmark Group has been in this region for more than 40 years. And its chairman, Mr. Mickey Jaktiani, has always believed and operated in the mid-market segment. So taking cue from that, in somewhere in the early 2000, Mickey came up with an idea of diversifying into the hospitality sector in the Middle East. And he stayed on with his concept of operating in the mid-market. And that's how we got into the City Max brand, which basically caters to the mid-market segment of the tourism and hospitality industry. Currently, we have 3 properties, 2 in Dubai and 1 in Sharjah. And moving on from here, we have aggressive expansion plans.
So staying where you are at the moment, give some indication of the inventory in terms of room numbers, and also the offering which guests receive when they stay at one of the hotels.
Currently, we have 1,300 keys on offer and doing exceptionally well. And year-round, we are doing an occupancy of almost 90% plus. Though we operate in the mid-market segment, but our offering is a full-service offering, where we have an elaborate F&B offering to our guests.
Okay, so moving forward from this point in 2014, what is your pipeline like?
We have 3 more developments in the pipeline, which we should see them get them operational in around 2016. 2 of those are in Dubai, 1 in Barsha area, and the second one in Business Bay, and the third one is coming up in Ras Al Khaimah, Emirates.
Now we're talking here at the Arabian Travel Market. You've also been involved with the event which runs and overlaps with this event, the Arabian Hotel Investment Conference. So how are things looking on the investment side, developments within the region and perhaps beyond?
AHIC has been of great interest to us. This is the second year in running that we have participated in AHIC. And the idea of participating in AHIC was to test the waters beyond UAE, beyond GCC, into the MENA region. And we have been fortunate to get a lot of positive inquiries, coupled with the fact that the day before yesterday we were awarded the best budget hotel operator in the Middle East. So we feel that should give us a boost in exploring and venturing out of UAE into markets like Saudi Arabia and Northern Africa.
So congratulations on winning the World Travel Awards, and thank you for talking to us here on Breaking Travel News.
Thank you very much.